Good morning to all. Welcome back to Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. In this session, we are going to discuss about your record work and subject enrichment activity. Okay, then in the session, I will give the assignment for the chapter 1 that we already finished yesterday's session. Okay, our portion is already over for this year or for this academic year. Then we have to revise the chapters for the final exam. For the final exam, all the chapters are there that we will revise. Okay, but in this session, we are going to discuss about your record work and subject enrichment activity. Okay, then I hope you all bought record and lab manual from the school store. I already informed you to buy that. If anyone didn't buy the record and lab manual, you should contact school office as soon as possible and ask about the record and lab manual. Okay, then you have to buy them. So here in your record, two sides are there. One side is ruled and other is unruled. Ruled part you have to write the things and unruled part you have to draw the figures, paste the graph and all. Okay, then if in the experiment they ask to cut the paper and paste it, but no need to do that. You have to draw and color that. That's enough. No need to waste much time on this record. Clear? Then many experiments, project, group activity and that will be there in your lab manual. But from there, I select 9 important activities for you. But you have to write the numbers as 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. up to 9. There will be the numbers as 1, 3, 9, 21, something etc. But you have to put the numbers as in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Activity 1, activity 2, activity 3, like that. Clear? Then I will say which all activities you want to write in your record. This is the activity 1, to make a square root spiral. This itself you have to write as your activity 1 in your record. Okay, this all you have to write in the ruled side. But these figures you have to draw on the other part, unruled part. Okay, this all you have to write in the right side, ruled part, and these all figures you have to draw in the unruled part. Now this is the figure, next figure in the activity 1 that you have to draw in the unruled part, and these writings you have to write in the ruled side. Okay, the same activity 1 as your subject enrichment activity. So you have to write the same in A4 sheet and send make PDF, then send it through the mail ID which is given in the Google Classroom. Okay, so this is same as your subject enrichment activity 2. This is activity 3 in your lab manual, activity 3, but you have to write this as activity 2 in your record. Okay, after activity 1 in your lab manual you have to write activity 3, but you have to put that number as activity 2. So this is your activity 2. Same way here you have to draw these figures on the unruled side and color it. Clear? No need to cut and paste. You can draw this and color it using crayons. It is better to color using crayon other than sketch. Okay. Its continuation up to this conclusion you have to write. For all the activities up to the conclusion you have to write. Because you have to draw on the unruled side. Next is this activity 9. This you have to write as your activity 3. Okay. Find the values. To find the values of abscissa and coordinates of various points in the Cartesian plane. So you have to write these all on the right side. That means ruled part. Then this you have to draw on the graph sheet and paste it on the unruled part neatly. Okay. This all you have to write in the right side. That means ruled part. Okay. But this values you have to write in the unruled part. This table you have to draw and write in the unruled part. This conclusion you have to write in the ruled part. Conclusions you have to write in the ruled part. Up to this much you have to write. No need to write the follow-up activity. Okay. Up to conclusion you have to write. Now this is activity 16. This you have to write as your activity 4 in your record. This figures you have to draw on the unruled part. Writings you have to write in the ruled side. Okay, this color you can do by using crayons neatly. Draw and color it. Okay. This continuation, this observations you have to write in the right side, ruled part, conclusion also. There is no need to write follow-up activity. Up to conclusion you have to write. This is the next activity, activity 21. This you have to write as your activity 5. Okay, same way you have to write these writings in your ruled side, and this because you have to draw an unruled side. You can color this by using crayons neatly. Okay. Continuation of the activity. You have to draw these figures on the unruled side and color it. These observations and conclusions you have to write on the ruled side. This is activity 27, but you have to write this as activity 6 in your record. Okay, same way the writings you have to write on the ruled side, and the figures you have to draw on the unruled part. Color it using what? Crayons. Okay. This is its continuation. Observations and conclusion you have to write on the ruled side. Clear? Activity 33. This you have to write as your activity number 7 in your record. This writings you have to write in the right side, that means ruled side. Then this figures you have to draw on the unruled part. Okay. This is the continuation of the same, and this all you have to write on the ruled side, and this conclusion you have to write in the ruled side. This is activity 37. This is your activity 8 that you have to write in your record. This table you have to write on the unruled side. Okay. Writings you have to write in the right side, that means ruled side. This experiment, it is only up to observations. There is no conclusions. So you have to write up to this much only. Okay. This note also you have to write. This is activity 38. This is your activity 9 that you have to write in the record. Okay. This figures you have to draw on the right side itself, ruled part itself. This dice. Okay. But this table you have to write in the left side, unruled part. Its continuation. This table you have to draw in the unruled part. observations and conclusion you have to write in the ruled side. Okay. To write only 9 activities in your record book. This activity 1 is same as your activity 1. Activity 3 is your activity 2 actually. Then activity 9 is your activity 3. You have to write that as activity 3. Activity 16 is your activity 4. Activity 21 is your activity 5. 7 is your activity 6 in your record. Okay, you have to write that 27 as activity 6. Activity 33 is your activity 7. Activity 37 is your activity 8. Then activity 38 is your activity 9. Okay. Subject enrichment activity. Your subject enrichment activity is already given in the Google Classroom. That is same as your activity 1. Here the activity 1 is same as your subject enrichment activity. So you have to write the same on an A4 sheet and submit through mail ID by after making it as PDF. Okay. So dear children, I hope you all get the clear idea about your record work and subject enrichment activity. Okay. You have to submit your subject enrichment activity on or before next Monday, 18th January 2021. And you have to ready the record for first week of February. First week of February. Okay, that date I will inform later. So dear children, do these all properly and submit that on the date itself. Okay, the next thing is I will upload the assignment for the lesson 1 here. You have to do that and keep that in your file. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.